Hello, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replant and begin planting or plant a seed or plant or tree that already exists. And I've already planted it, but this happened. Okay, time to replant the plant. So you know it has no roots, no nothing, so yeah. These are the tools. You might not need some. You might need these two. Like this one will really just smoothen up the soil. And you're definitely going to need this one. And this one basically does the same as this. And it can also be used for digging, but it doesn't do well. Now, let's get into it. So, you're going to want to grab your plant. You also might need gloves. But since this is a cactus, I'm not going to need it. And it will work way better if you use Balin's potting mix. It is a little bit more expensive, but it works way better. Time to get into it. And I have already filled mine with Bailey's potting mix. So I'm all good to go. Pause the video, do this, then press the play button. So I'm going to remove the cactus, grab my handy dandy shovel, and I'm just going to jig a little bit. I'm just going to push them to the side. And then, once I've done that, I haven't needed to take it out. You might need to take it out. I'm going to put it in, push it all the way out here, smoothen it up. Now, if you need to, you might go like this, but you shouldn't do this one into plant, it doesn't really matter. And after this step, you're going to want to go get some water for the plant. I will be right back. I'm back. So I'm going to grab my watering can and give it a little bit of water. I'm just going to let that sink in. Good. And I'm also going to make sure there's some hydration around the plant, because that will go into the roots later on when it grows them. Or if you're using a seed, it will help the seed short term and long term. Just make sure it's all moist. And after you've done some watering, you've done all of the steps. Make sure to like, subscribe, and do all the good stuff.